let's go ahead and do another unboxing. You know how I like to do these things, so let's just go ahead and begin. You may wonder, what is it this time? Well, I'm gonna show you, or you can basically just read the title. It's time to try out some new high-end Nokia stuff, okay? It's a Nokia N9 running the MeeGo operating system. So, let's go ahead and do this. Oops. I'm sure if I'm doing this the right way. Okay, there we go. We get some candy! Yeah, getting some candy. This has basically nothing to do with the product, but yeah, I'm getting some candy from the company. That's awesome. More paper. And then, you know, my thingy over there. Awesome! Let's go ahead and look on the good stuff over there, okay? The Nokia N9 phone. Not running Android, not running iOS, not running Windows Phone 7, but it's running the MeeGo operating system. And I tried this out in a store before I bought it. It was insane, and that's why I bought it, because it was a good experience, okay? It was crazy. And I like the box. I like the box a lot. So that's awesome. I also like, you know, the candy that I got, but you know, that's also awesome. Okay, so let's go ahead and I assume we have to rip off this thingy first. Okay. That is basically the phone. 3.9-inch screen. It's really heavy. Comes probably with a decent camera on the back as well. So that's something I'm gonna enjoy a lot. So yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at some more stuff that we got in our box. Get some boring, you know, stuff, obviously. Getting some boring stuff here. Oh, we get a case. That's awesome. And then we have this one. And what else? Okay, this is pretty interesting. That was an interesting shape. Never seen that before. That's awesome. And getting some, you know, sound. Okay, this is pretty interesting. I mean, I do know that Nokia is good at these things, sound and stuff. So this one, kind of nice. You basically have it on yourself if you want to go ahead and do things like that. So yeah, that's awesome. You also get some more earbuds, you know. Oh, great. We also get, you know, the USB cable. Yeah, that is awesome. But obviously the good stuff here is it has a good weight to it, okay? It has a good weight to it. Okay, I love the nice material. The build quality is insane on this device. Okay, I can already tell it right now. Also, let's see here. Do we have any more plastic on the sides? No. I don't think so. So this is basically the Lumia phone. I'm gonna do more videos about it, of course, but yeah, this is kind of like a nice phone. It doesn't have any buttons on the front, have 2 buttons here on the side, or actually 3 buttons, volume up and down, and wait a sec. Okay, feels like it has paper on the front, but you can see the Nokia text there, and then we have something up here. On the top we are basically getting that you know, headphone jack, and also on the right or on the left side you don't get anything. Clean. And we also have the call size tester Nokia kind of camera there. I assume it's like 8 megapixel at least, because it's Nokia. But really, I mean, the build quality is insane on this device. Too bad though that they're, you know, not gonna make any more Migo phones. But yeah, just quickly hands-on and look on this device. If you want to go ahead and, you know, watch more videos about this phone and stuff like that, be sure to go ahead and subscribe right now. So yeah, see you.